Good morning class. Today we will discuss about third lesson of your English, that is the new blue dress. So here the story revolves about one of the girl, and it tells about one of the story in Gate 7. So here the spring season came. So here the Gates Avenue is a small street, but it is very dirty and tidy street because the people in the Gates Avenue won't clean their clean their clothes properly, and won't clean their houses, and won't clean their own floors at all. So the streets or the places near the Gates Avenue are very beautiful because they used to paint their houses. They will make a pavement, but the people in the Gates Avenue won't do anything. So here the story revolves about one of the little girl, and how her dress changed the whole street. That was discussed in the this lesson. The Gates Avenue was a street. So here there was one school, and there the people from near places are coming to that school. So the children coming from near the Gates Avenue are clean and beautiful and pretty, but one girl coming from Gates Avenue looks very dirty, but the girl is very pretty. So all the people used to laugh on that girl, and the girl looking like with the girl face is very dirty and the hair is untidy. So then what happened is, her teacher told that from tomorrow please wash your face and come in a neat clothes. So that her teacher advised him that come in a neat clothes and wash your face. Then the girl went to her home, and next day the girl came same like that. Then what the teacher did is, the teacher offered her a new blue dress. Then the girl took the gift excitedly and go to the home. Then after wearing the new blue dress, she was very happy that she is looking very beautiful, and she came to school, and she washed her face. She is looking so pretty, and she was very good in new blue dress. Then she told to her teacher that my mother was very much shocked, and my father was not there in the home, but he will see in the supper tonight. What is supper means? Dinner time is called supper. So today he will see me. Then she was very excited, and she completed her classes and she went to the home. Then after tonight, that is on the dinner time, her father was shocked seeing that girl very clean, and she all completed their supper. And after that, that is the house, that is in the kitchen, there is a neat cloths on the table. Before there used to be no cloths, and all the things will be dirty, but on that day the table is cleaned with a cleaned cloth. And after they completed their dinner, her mother is washing the floor of the kitchen. The girl's father looked her for some time, and after next day, the father, what they did is, they clean their house, they clean the in front of their houses, and they clean all dirty things, and they kept their home very neatly. Then the young minister of the Gates Avenue, that is they keep the house clean, no? The beside house people thought that what what the beside house people are doing, and they also started the same thing. They also started cleaning the clothes and cleaning the floor, and the two houses kept very neatly. Then the young minister of Gates Avenue saw the that is the young minister of Gates Avenue saw the people who are working very hard, and the minister thought that they deserves help because the Gates Avenue does not having running water, no pavement, and no, there is so much of dust, and there is no street lights also in the Gates Avenue. So the minister, what he did means, he talked with the citizens and took a help, and he had given a street lights, running water, pavement and all, and the Gates Avenue is looking very beautiful now. And that whole street is become that is, the whole street become very beautiful. Then the beside cities and the in front cities, back cities, all the cities followed the same thing. And the Gates Avenue, since from the 1912, the Gates Avenue become very beautiful city in the world. So here the teacher who was given blue dress changed all the Gates Avenue. This is all about this lesson. Here the story revolves about one girl and the street named Gates Avenue. Hope you understand. Thank you.